Hey guys, it's TOMS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this mermaid hair look just in time for Halloween using the brand new VO5 hair glitters. So first of all, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 3 parts, so I'm going to focus on the middle and the 2 sides. So I'm just going to clip that to the side there, just so we can keep it out of the way. I'm using a tail comb at the moment. So then we have this section up here, so now I'm going to go ahead and split this into 3 sections. So I'm going to take that comb again. And then once I've got my 3 sections, I'm just going to start by Dutch braiding it. So I've just finished off my Dutch braid at the crown of my head, so now I'm going to tie it with an elastic. So that's the top part done. Next I'm going to move on to the side. So what I'm going to do is section off my hair. Take a little section at the front here. And then split this piece of hair here into 3 sections. And then once I've got these 3 sections, I'm going to do another Dutch braid. And now to add a little bit more volume, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the braids. Okay, so I've just finished pulling out the braids, so now I'm going to do a quick spin and show you guys how it looks from behind. So now, it's time for glitter. So first of all, I'm going to be applying the VO5 fixing spray for glitter, and I'm also going to be using the VO5 hair glitter. The shades that I have is in the shade Mermaid Green and Ocean Blue. So I'm just going to start by spraying this in the root. And then I'm going to add some of the glitter. Then going to add a little bit more and take some of the other glitter. I love this colour. And just pop that over the top. So I'm just finishing up this side. That looks pretty good to me. And next I'm going to move on and do exactly the same thing to this side. So again, taking the glitter and going to town. So I'm just finishing up on the back of my hair now, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is bring my hair forward a little bit, and I'm going to be using the Toni & Guy Sea Salt Texturizing Spray to add a little bit of beachiness to this look. And what I love about this product is it will really help to give me a really beachy texture to my hair, which of course is perfect if you plan on being a mermaid this Halloween. So of course we don't want to lose any of our hard work, so last but not least I'm going to be using the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, and I'm going to be applying that all over my hair. So guys, this is the finished look and I'm absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. Don't forget to look out for the mermaid headband, which is available online and in store at Superdrug.